Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin, and in this today's videos I am going to show you what is RESTlet. RESTlet is an API used in SuiteScript. Let me open this. Yes, definition. RESTlet is an API that can perform any function. Basically, we use RESTlet to extract data within the NetSuite records. We use RESTlet to extract the data from external application. One more function that a RESTlet can do is example is RESTlet that can retrieve, delete, or create. Example of RESTlet that adds multiple records. Client script calling the RESTlet, and Suitelet that calls RESTlet. Example of RESTlet that manipulates scheduled script. In my upcoming videos, I am going to show you all these 5 examples with practical. So next few videos will be quite interesting. So don't miss those videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple example. First of all, this is the basic structure of RESTlet. Look at this. Define function. It's very simple. I am not using any function here. Just get function return hello world. And here you will see a client scripting. Client calling. Here is client calling RESTlet, right? So what we have done here, we have just called that RESTlet. First of all, I will upload that RESTlet. See here, I have uploaded that RESTlet here. When you upload the RESTlet, it is a quite simple procedure, just like other scripts. Now here, after uploading the script, you will get this URL. Here 1789 ampersand deploy equal to 1. Here you will see hello world. Now this URL 1789, it will be written here in the client script. You can see here, I have just copied that URL and written here, and then alerted data from RESTlet.body, whatever written in the body. Look at this. So now I'm going to, let me show you our usual sales order script. This is the sales order form. I am refreshing it. This is the form that we are using. Now I will call that RESTlet as soon as this page is loaded. See here, this client calling RESTlet. Now I'm going to upload this script. Here you go. Upload. Right. JS. Now I will show you here. This is the client script. Save. Create script record. Sales order. Calling RESTlet. Okay. Sales order. Calling RESTlet. Right. I will save it and I will deploy it in sales order form. Deploy script. Here applies to sales order form. That is our sales order form. Tick mark here and then save it. Now see here, as soon as I will refresh this page, right? I'm going to refresh this page. See here, it has alerted what we have written here, page init, data from RESTlet, HTTPS GET. And in this way, whatever the data written in the body, that is hello world, it has alerted here. So now in this way, this is the procedure to call a RESTlet. Now in our upcoming examples, I will show you how to retrieve, delete, and create the data within the RESTlet records. how to add multiple records with the help of RESTlet. So in this way, these 5 examples will be properly explained in our next upcoming videos. So guys, I hope this video is useful for you, and till then keep practicing this RESTlet. And if you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment section. I will create another videos to resolve your doubts. And in our next video, we will see all these another different examples. Till then, watch my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.